Hi friends, I welcome you to our new YouTube channel, ODISHA Knowledge Factory. I hope you all are doing well. Today our topic is on the folk dances of Odisha. So let's understand what folk is. Folk culture has been generally considered to be the study of primitive societies. Epics, Purans, and legends bear clear testimony of the folk culture in reminiscence. Example, our Emperor Kharavela inscribed the Hathigumpha inscription in Udaygiri Hills, reference to the music, dance, and drama. Most of them are identified as primitive and greatest number of folk dance forms in India, characterized by the variety of its own forms, gestures, costumes, and accompanying music. Most of them are associated with religious worship, fairs, festivals, and as well as they serve as means of social and cultural recreations. Now let's see what all folk dance forms performed in Odisha. Gumrah dance. This dance form was first originated in Kalahandi and Nuapada. The music of the Gumrah dance form is basically a war music that is being used during the war time to excite the soldiers with huge rage and courage. Next is Chhau dance. This traditional dance form was first originated in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. It was discovered during the mock fights of Odia Paikas, who had a style of fighting according to the flow of indigenous music instruments. Next is Bagha dance. It initially started as a way of pleasing Ma Budi Thakurani of Mahuriguda jungle. According to the myths, it is said that the goddess was very much fond of tigers, and the villagers could get their wishes fulfilled through performing this dance. Gotipur dance. This dance form has been performing in Odisha for many centuries. The classical and the most famous dance of Odissi owes its origin to the Gotipur dance. Dhan dance or Dhangri dance. Dhan folk dance is an old Adivasi conventional dance of the class of Odisha. It was first originated by the Kondha tribe of western Odisha. Odissi dance, the unique classical dance form which is originated from temples. The foundations of Odissi are present in Natya Shastra, which is an ancient Hindu Sanskrit book of performing arts. Changu dance. The Changu folk dance is very much essential to the ancestral way of life in Odisha. It is originated from the eastern province of Odisha by the Bhuiya tribe. Ranappa dance. The history is filled with examples of wars which brave sons of the soil bravely fought. The Kalinga War was a case of exemplary bravery that the people of Odisha fought against Ashoka, powerful army in the 3rd BC. Karma dance. Karma dance form was originated from the Indian region of Jharkhand. Gradually with time, this dance being practiced in Odisha also. This dance form is performed prior to the celebration of Karma Puja, before or during the winters. Jodi Sanka dance. From the ancient times, Jodi Sanka dance form was originated from the tribal community of the Ganjam district of Odisha. Dalkhai dance. Dalkhai dance originates its form from the Sambalpur district of the East Indian state of Odisha. It is the most popular dance form of the western part of Odisha. Chaiti Ghoda dance. The folk dance is performed by the fisherman community of the Odisha. Kaisivadi dance. The dance form had its initial presence from the Sambalpur region of Odisha. The songs in this Kaisivadi folk dance are in a native language called Kosli, which is a neighborhood language of Sambalpur. This dance form is based on the story of Radha and Krishna. Paiko dance. It is said that this type of dance form was performed by the people known as Paikas in ancient times. Elaborating its meaning, Paikas were the group of people or soldiers who served their lives for the safety of the kingdom. Duskater dance. Originally, the performers for Duskater dance were the low-caste Hindu community people. However, with time its recognition increased and the people belonging to all other higher caste such as Kshatriyas and Brahmins also started participating in it. Danda Nacha. Danda means a pole. You can see this Danda Nacha forms in Puri, Ganjam, Balangir, Sambalpur, Fulbani and Dhenkanal districts also. This dance form is to worship Lord Shiva and the goddess Kali. Only males are participating in this dance. It occurs in Mahavishwa Sankranti of Chaitra. Pala. Pala is a dance form performed with simple dance steps with singing. Singer is accompanied by 4 to 5 persons, have different musical instruments. Singer sings these episodes from Ramayana, Mahabharata or other Puranic texts. Begins with blessings from Ma Sarala. Demsa dance of Koraput is a traditional folk dance of tribal people of central Indian southern Odisha and adjacent areas of Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh. The dancer form a chain by clutching each other at a shoulder and waist and dancing to the tune of traditional instrument. Demsa is a unique folk dance form performed in groups. It has a certain composition, style, rhythm, body language, traditional costumes, hairstyle, footsteps, etc. This dance is generally performed in late night by the tribes called Desya or Adivasis. So we understand now what folk is and what all dance forms performed in Odisha. Thank you for watching. Kindly do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you all.